Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about the content writing service for freelancers on Fiverr. Okay, it sounds long title, but let me simplify it. In Fiverr, there are multiple categories, and now we are heading to writing after the creation of the account. So for now, it's a buying account. I will show you the type and how and the pricing of the content writing. So we have resume writing, cover letter, job description. Let's look. Oh, we have technical writing. Okay, there is something writing advice. There is something catching. Speech writing, creative writing, script writing. Okay, let's choose content strategies. From content strategies, let's try to look for content writing. CEO, we have I will build your content plan, marketing, social media, blog research. I will create CEO plan strategy, customized. I think this is just. Oh, I understand now. This is just. They will show you, type you what you have to do. We have AI content editor. We have also, yeah, e-learning, business name, slogan. Ooh. Sale copy, social media copy, email copy, cover letter, resume writing, writing advice, beta reading. Let's see this. I will professionally edit and proofread your AI and ChatGPT. Wow. I didn't know this is legal. Okay, now I understand. I will explain. So this is here, the AI editing content. So you go to ChatGPT and ask them to write you something like, let's choose something less than a book and more than a resume. A story. You ask ChatGPT or any AI that provide text on a story. Let's try it. Write a story about Earth. Let's keep it simple. Can he? I don't think Bing is capable of doing this. But you copy the story. Okay, there are sessions. You buy the service and they will edit, change, make it more humanic. Something like this. I don't know what's the adjective for this. So this is short. Can he write a book? No, I won't ask them. Okay, this is what the AI editing does. Let's look for something else. Books and ebook writing. Short story, ghost war, book proposal, book blurbs. We have Kindle niche research. Short stories. We have here a real writing. This is for children. Perfect fan fiction, short stories or fiction, ghostwrite or sci-fi or fantasy short. Yeah, you need something for your school project. You pay. You get it. You get 20. 20 out of 20. 20 out of 20. I mean 100%. The full mark. Yes, they are professionals. You see the rating? 5 stars. 4.9, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4.7, 4.9, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. See, and it's rated by many people. 800 people, we have 300, 600 people, 100, 2,000 and more that I write fun children's stories to your kid or publishing. It got 5 stars from 100 and plus, but it's for children. Now we are looking for more personal, specific. So, how to sell this? You see the prices, you see the rating, you see what to do. Now click switch to sell. Become a seller on Fiverr. You can already start this. What we are doing now, head to the profile. Okay, let's go back here to the buyer. We'll need it later. Here, drafts for your gigs, and you can achieve gigs. For me, I just have drafts because I'm just showing you how to do this. I will write the perfect story for your class project. I think this is a good title. You can steal it. I'm not using it. Categories. Writing. Subcategory. Book and ebook. Service. We said short stories. Language. I can write in Arabic, in French, in English. Yeah, all of those. Expertise. Children. No, not children. History. Philosophy. Yeah, I can write on those. What do I have to use as a keyword? Sci-fi and story. The title contains letter and numbers only. Sorry. Perfect. Next, you complete the steps, the pricing. Yes, they have only the basic. A good story. I'm not willing to create a plan. Describe the details. You know. They know. Delivery time. Okay, it's a short story. I'm not using AI and I'm fully concentrated. 10 days. 10 days and can, how can I put negotiable or something like this? Outline, yes. Text rewrite, yes. Topic research, no. Word included. How to say depending on your choice? Each? No, I can't write. Let's just type 100. Let in. I No, I don't want those plans. Topic research, revision, unlimited. Take your time. Price. I'm putting a high price because I don't want to do this job. Extra service. Words. Okay, forget about it. Save. Oh, here I need numbers. Pew, 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 pew. Aye, that's a lot. And 1,000. 0. 1. I'm just passing this. I'm not publishing. Why? Price should be a multiple of 5. Oh, sorry. Aye, sorry. The next step is the description. You describe your job and this will take... Oh. Yeah, this is a lot of typing. Next, the requirement. Let's reach the requirement by just spamming 0. That's good. Frequently asked questions, you won't need it. Requirement, multiple choice disorder, use business, personal project. You can add new questions, third part, bigger projects you're working on. At least one. Multiple choice. No. Free text. I mean, you're right. Necessary details. Hi. And he will know that he has to just type what he willing to do. Now you will have to upload images. And this is the last, and then you will have to publish. That's it. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.